Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a practice problem for a projectile which is launched at some angle theta from the ground. Here is the problem. It says a football is kicked with an initial velocity of 45 meter per second at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. So whenever initial velocity and angle is given, the first thing you can do to find x and y components of initial velocity. Formula for x and y components are Vox equals V0 cos theta, and for y components Voy equals V0 sin theta. V0 is the initial velocity and theta is the angle. So V0 equals 45 meter per second. Plug in values. I am using calculator to calculate these values. So we got here 39 meter per second and here 22.5 meter per second. Next step is you have to make a table for horizontal components and the vertical components. So we have Vox and Voy. Now the horizontal acceleration would be 0 because there is no horizontal acceleration in projectile motion, and vertical acceleration is actually the gravitational acceleration is acting vertically downward at all the points. So Ay equals to minus g or minus 9.8 meter per second square. Now we have noted down all the givens here. So first of all we have to solve for maximum height. Maximum height is the height of the object when object is at the top of its path, like ball is at this point. So the height of object at this point would be the maximum height. It is also called as maximum vertical displacement. So whenever we have to find the maximum height, we use the fact that at the top vertical component of velocity goes to 0. That means at this point Vy would be 0. So we will use the kinematic equation Vy to the whole square Voy to the whole square plus twice Ay. Now plug in values. Voy equals 22.5 meter per second. Ay equals minus 9.8, and y is the vertical displacement which is maximum height here. So we can write y equals h maximum. So it will become, we need to take this term to the left. So 19.6 height maximum equals 506.25. So this will give us height maximum equals 25.83 meters. So this is maximum height of this football. The second thing we have to find time of the flight. Time of the flight is the total time when ball remains in air. Like time from initial point means this point to all the way up and then all the way down to up to the final point, this point. So time from initial point to the final point. So at initial point ball is at the ground, so its position is 0 or vertical displacement is 0, and the same way at final point its height is 0, so vertical displacement is 0. We are going to use this fact to find the time of flight. Let's take next page. So here delta y, y2 minus y1 and y2 both are 0, so change in vertical displacement is 0 here. So we are going to use this equation, and I am writing this equation in vertical motion. Delta y equals v0 y times t plus half ay t square. So from initial point to final point there is no change in vertical displacement, so it's 0. Voy equals 22.5 meter per second t plus ay equals minus 8.8 t square. Now we will take this term to here, so it will become half 9.8 t square 22.5 t. 4.9 t square 22.5 t. 1 t would be cancelled out, so t equals 22.5 divided by 4.9. This will give us 4.59 seconds. So this is the total time the ball takes from initial point to the final point, or time of the flight of the ball. Now we have to find the range. So range is the maximum horizontal displacement from initial point to the final point. That means this is our initial point and it's our final point. So delta x this would be our range or delta x. So to find range, we will use displacement formula in the horizontal motion, like delta x equals v naught x times t plus half ax t square. Delta x is the range equals v naught x equals, we found it initially 39 meter per second, and t is the total time, or you can say time of the flight, which we found in the last page, 4.59 seconds. This whole term would be 0. Why? Because ax is the 0, so half 0 t square. If you multiply any number to the 0, result is 0. So the whole term would be 0. So range equals 39 times 4.59 would give us 179.08 meter. So this is the maximum horizontal displacement or the range of the football. I hope you understand the concept and how to use kinematic equation for horizontal and vertical motions in any projectile motion. In the following video, we will discuss projectile motion on the inclines. So stay tuned and study more. Here is the question of the day. I have made a similar problem for you. Solve it to see if you get the right answer. Answer is given below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, share and likes for daily updates. Thank you.